3.6, solving multiple step inequalities. We're going to dive straight into word problems. There's going to be lots of word problems today. Okay? Your school soccer team is trying to break the school record for goals scored in a season. Great, I don't need that sentence. Your team has already scored how many goals?
88.
88 goals this season. The record is what?
138.
138 goals. Those are probably important numbers. With how many games left?
1-0.
With 10 games remaining on the schedule, how many goals on average does your team need to score per game to break the record? What would be breaking the record?
139 would be breaking the record.
Yes, 139 would be breaking the record. Okay, 139 would be breaking the record. So I need to set up an inequality for this. What do you think I need to do, Jacob?
I think you need to do like X.
Okay.
No. Yeah. X is which would be the number of goals they scored that season is equal to or greater than 139.
Okay, kind. You're on the right idea. We're on the right idea. I have three numbers, 88, 138, 10. I need to use all of those. How many goals have we scored this season?
88 goals.
88. Okay, how many games do we have? Yes.
Plus 10x.
Plus 10x. And then what sign do I have to have?
Is
Greater than or equal to?
Than.
I got something right. Wait, what?
greater than.
No, equal to?
No. Because I don't want to tie the school record. I want to beat the school record. So it's greater than what?
138.
138. That's how you set up this inequality. I take how many I scored, I add it to how many games I have left times how many I need to score is greater than what I want to beat. How do I solve this from here? Part of what I do. Subtract 88. If I subtract 88 from both sides, I get 10x is greater than 138 minus 88, which is 50. And then what do you have to do? Divide by 10, and x is greater than 5. So you have to score more than 5 goals a game in your remaining 10 games. Is that a lot to score in soccer?
No.
Yes. It
For
is.
everybody on offense.
If you're scoring that much in soccer, the teams either are very poor
Our teams are very bad.
or
Yes, they are.
nobody has defense.
We do both. We have both.
You got broke 5 times. Shut up.
Guys,
Oh my God.
camera is rolling. Close
I
your
told you
mouth.
this already.
David fell on his face.
I will wait on you till you're ready to learn, and then we can move on. Okay, so you're going to have to set up multi-step inequalities with word problems. You're going to also have to solve multi-step inequalities. What do you do to solve x over negative 4 minus 6 is greater than or equal to negative 5?
You multiply.
Oh,
X.
time out.
Okay.
Let's not multiply first.
You have to
What? What do we do then?
Add 6.
Add 6 first. Add 6
You?
first.
This
And
is
I get x over negative 4 is greater than or equal to, what's negative 5 plus 6? 1. Now what am I going to do, Jacob?
You multiply
By?
x
No?
divided by 4 times negative 4.
Okay. What happens when I multiply or divide by a negative number?
Oh.
Flip it.
You change the sign of that.
You change
Yes,
the
I
sign.
understand that, Josh.
So x is less than or equal to negative 4. You have to change the sign. Do not forget to change the sign. That's why I said save the multiplying or the dividing till the end, because then you can change everything once it's done.
Okay.
Okay? And it won't confuse you as much. Does that make sense?
Yes.
What? Nope, I just want to solve it right now.
So we don't have to graph on homework?
On your homework, you do not have, yes you do. It says draft your solution. Oh. Remember, when you graph, you're graphing with a bracket, parenthesis, open, close, okay? How do I solve this equation? 7 is greater than or equal to 5x minus 3. What, Josh?
You would do. You subtract.
No, you're wrong.
Stop. You do what? You are right about the 3, but
You add 3.
I add 3. Good job. Thank
No,
you.
you're wrong.
What's 7 plus 3?
10.
So I get 10 is greater than or equal to 5x. Then what do I do?
You divide by 5.
I can answer.
But
Yes.
you didn't.
You divide.
Bruh.
And since
you
it's
get-
not a negative, you don't
just
switch this.
Right. You just keep it. You're positive. You keep it. So 2 is greater than or equal to x. 2 is greater than or equal to x. Okay. Those are some simple 2-step ones, guys. Those are some simple 2-step ones. Now look at this one. 6 plus y is greater than or equal to 2y minus 3. Okay, Carter, how do I solve this? What do you want to do?
I'm going to say add 3.
Okay, let's add 3 to both sides. I like that. So then you get 9 plus y is greater than or equal to 2y. Now what?
Now you divide by. No. You,
That was
sorry, you
great.
subtract y.
Subtract y. I want all the y's on one side. So I get 9 is greater than or equal to y.
Y.
And I am done.
You're going too fast.
That's what you
Okay, Jacob.
Slow down. What?
Stop.
I just said.
Look at me. Stop.
Okay.
So 9 is greater than or equal to y. Okay. Corey.
Wait, what?
On D, what, Jacob? What's your question?
If you minus 2y by minus, wait,
Jacob,
if you
Jacob,
do
shut up.
2y minus y, what are you taking away the
It
y
would equal
instead?
No.
1 y. It would equal 1
What
y.
is technically in front of this?
One.
One.
It would equal
1.
1 y.
So what's 2 minus 1? 1.
But there's only a y there.
That's
Jacob.
because there's always a 1 in front of there. There's always a 1 in front of there.
Can you put it to help me?
I know you're recording.
Thank you.
Okay. Corey, how do I start D? X over negative 2 plus 6 is less than negative 14.
Or you can do it.
Okay.
Can I?
Nope, I asked Corey. I want Corey's opinion on this one.
Where are you gonna fail at this?
Bruh.
Stop.
Don't you have study guides?
Because you're in 8th grade, you need to learn how to study on your own. I give you review problems, which is the same thing.
Yeah,
You do?
Doing math is how you review math.
You mean like, wait,
If you don't know how to, you can't just review off of rules.
when you say review problem,
Please do it.
do you mean the chapter review?
Mm-hmm. Corey, what do I do? Okay, what's my first step here?
I'll kill you.
Subtract. Subtract what?
Oh, yes.
Good, subtract 6. Good, Corey. So I have x over negative 2 is less than, what's negative 14 plus negative 6? Negative 20.
I thought. Oh yeah. Wait,
Now-
I thought if you add,
You forgot-
it's basically
Jason, what do I do next? Wait, yeah, I know you know how to do this.
Erase.
Multiply by what? Negative 2. Negative 2. So I get x is what?
You greater than.
Greater than. Good. You flip the sign because I multiplied by a negative. X is greater than
10. 40.
negative 20
40.
times 2 is 40. Okay.
10.
So on your homework tonight, we're going to do one more word problem. But on your homework tonight, you have word problems to set up. If you do not show me the equation when you set it up and you just get an answer, Jacob, it's partly wrong. I need the equation with it. Okay?
Okay.
Then you're going to work on solving equations that have 2 steps. If you divide or multiply by a negative, you always flip the sign.
You
Now, last word problem. Guys,
Miss Peters, my
What?
ears are moving.
okay, congratulations. 5 more minutes. Give me 5 more minutes of focus.
Oh, it reminds me of alfalfa.
Okay,
Alfalfa.
Jacob, I need you to focus. You've been doing good lately. Let's go.
Okay.
Okay, here we go. You plan to go ice skating often this winter. The skating rink charges how much?
$4.
$4 for admission. You can either rent ice skates at the skating rink for how much?
$5.
$5, or you can buy your own pair for
$45.
Okay, how many times do you have to use the skates in order for the cost of buying them to be less than the total cost of renting them? Oh, yes, it is similar to the word problem
Wait,
from the
so
other
you're
day.
just gonna add something.
Okay, so my question is, what sign am I using? Let's start there. What sign are you using? It says, order of specifying them to be.
Less.
So I know my symbol is going to be that in this equation.
Yeah.
Okay? What goes on this side? It says the cost of buying them to be less than the total cost of renting them.
$45 on
Yeah, definitely.
Okay? Yes, you're on to something. How much does it cost
To own your own.
to own your own skates?
$45.
$45. Hey, stop. It costs $45 to own our own skates. But we also have to pay for what every time we go?
$5.
Admission.
No.
To get in.
$4 for admission.
$4 for admission. Do you know how many times, guys?
5 times per
Do you know how many times you're going in the
No.
season? So what needs to go with that?
Yeah!
Okay, stop screaming.
Because I'm happy to farm.
Okay,
I'm not.
so I have this side of my equation. If I buy my own skates, they are $45 plus 4 times the amount of times I go. That needs to be less than what? What?
Why?
5 per day.
Stop.
Every time we do variables, why is it always usually X?
Well, we just use X because it's easier.
You can use
You can use any variable you want. Can we finish?
Yes.
Do you think that would be something we could do today?
Yes.
Okay, wait, Carter. So, if you buy skates, they're $45 plus $4 times the amount that you go. You want this to be less than what?
5.
No, that's not 5. Wait.
Yeah, 5
Not 5x. Not 5x.
6x.
What? First of all,
Oh!
time out. Stop and think. I don't even know why you're shouting out 6 because there's no numbers that would add to be 6 or are 6.
But it's gotta be less than something.
It is.
Yes.
Okay, who said $9? Good. Why is it 9, Emma?
Oh, you add
Because
both
you
of
add
them.
how much it costs for your admission plus how much it costs for your skates a day. You add those together and multiply them by the amount of days you're using.
Wait a minute.
Okay? Because if I go and rent skates, it's $4 plus $5 times however many days I go.
My brain hurts.
I think Josh has a problem.
That's not nice.
It's not even. We
I just
should
like
ask me to
distracted.
think about it.
Where do I go from here? What
Ooh.
minus 4x,
Wait. Oh.
and you
that
get
is right.
45 is less than 5x. Then what do I do?
You
Yeah,
should
the
do
divide.
and it's 9x.
Hey, you're wrong.
9 is less than x.
9 is less than X.
Stop. Stop. So it says you have how many times do you have to use the skates in order for the cost of buying them to be less than the total cost of renting them?
9
Well,
times.
if 9 is less than x, okay. If you buy the skates, the cost will be less after more than 9 weeks. So you have to go how many, Emmanuel?
No, more than
10.
More than 9, so 10 or more.
Yeah.
Okay, so when it says 9 is less than x, you got to go back up here and read this question. 9 is not your solution. Your solution is
10.
more
Plus.
than 9 times. You must go more than 9 times.
Excuse me.
Okay, that would be the answer you would put on your test or quiz or whatever. But you have to show me this work. Now, here's the deal. I'm going to give you homework.